For over 40 years, HIV has been one of the most elusive viruses in human history. It's claimed over 40 million lives. Today, 41 million people are living with it, and despite decades of research, there is still no vaccine. But now, a new clinical trial is giving scientists real hope using mRNA technology, the same science that helped end the worst phase of the COVID-19 pandemic. Researchers have triggered a powerful immune response against HIV in human volunteers. In this video, we'll break down what happened, why this is different from past attempts, and whether we're finally on the path to an HIV vaccine. To understand why an HIV vaccine has been so hard to make, we need to understand the virus itself. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, doesn't just infect the body. It attacks the very system designed to protect us, the immune system. Specifically, it targets CD4 plus T cells, the generals of our immune response. Without them, the body struggles to fight off infections. And HIV is a shapeshifter. It mutates incredibly fast. Its outer surface is covered in a shield of sugar molecules, hiding its key proteins from immune detection. One of those proteins, called the envelope, ENV, protein, is what the virus uses to latch onto and enter human cells. Scientists have long tried to train the immune system to recognize this protein, but with little success. Why? Because when most vaccines produce this protein, they make it free-floating in the bloodstream, not attached to a cell membrane like in the real virus. The immune system sees a distorted version. It doesn't learn the right lesson. That's where the new approach comes in. A team led by Dr. William Schief at Scripps Research in California, in collaboration with Moderna, tested a new idea. What if we make the vaccine produce the ENV protein attached to the cell membrane, just like it appears on the actual virus? They used mRNA technology, the same method used in the Pfizer and Moderna COVID-19 vaccines. Instead of delivering a weakened virus or protein, mRNA vaccines deliver genetic instructions to our cells, telling them to make a specific viral protein, safely training the immune system. In this trial, 108 healthy adults received one of three experimental vaccines, two versions that produced membrane-bound ENV proteins, one that produced free-floating ENV proteins. The traditional method, each participant got 3 doses, given several weeks apart. The study was randomized and conducted across 10 sites in the US. And the results: 80% of people who got the membrane-bound mRNA vaccines produced neutralizing antibodies, powerful immune molecules that can block HIV from entering cells. In contrast, only 4% of those who got the free-floating version responded. That's a 20-fold difference. As Dr. Sharon Lewin, an infectious disease expert from the Peter Doherty Institute, put it, the difference is pretty striking. Let's be clear, this is not a cure, and we do not yet have an HIV vaccine. This was a phase 1 trial, designed to test safety and immune response, not effectiveness. No one was exposed to HIV. The long-term protection is still unknown. But what this shows is proof of concept. By mimicking the virus's natural structure, mRNA vaccines can finally teach the immune system to see HIV clearly. And here's the real power of mRNA: speed and flexibility. Unlike traditional vaccines, which can take years to modify, mRNA vaccines can be updated in months. If one version doesn't work, scientists can tweak the code and try again fast. This trial is only the third to test mRNA against HIV, but given the results, experts believe this could reshape the entire field. Future trials will test whether these antibodies actually prevent infection and for how long. Some researchers are already planning combination approaches, using multiple mRNA shots to guide the immune system step by step. If successful, the first effective HIV vaccine could arrive within the next decade. This moment is about more than science. It's about justice, equity, and global health. A vaccine must be accessible to all, not just the wealthy. But today, we can say something we haven't been able to say in 40 years: we have a real path forward. mRNA helped us survive a pandemic. Now, it might help us conquer one of the greatest health challenges of our time. If you found this update important, please like, subscribe, and share this video as science moves fast, and we're here to make sure you don't miss a single breakthrough. Let us know in the comments, do you think we'll have an HIV vaccine by 2030? Until next time, stay curious.